I can do this jump. I can do it. Whee! Oh no 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 no! Oh, hello everybody. Was that a good jump? Or was it horrible? I reckon it's horrible. Wait, do I have the genome? No, I do not. Science! Do your sciencey stuff. No! Oh, that's right, level 3. Wait, oh, I still can't get this Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, gotta get this Verminosaurus. And also, I already got its cage set up. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait. Which is gonna be very boring. Let's just focus on one of the dinosaurs right now. Wait. I'm not sure if that's an uh-oh. Oh dear. Well, to be accurate, it can't really deal with anything because, well, it can't really escape. So, I guess the dinosaur has to deal with it then. But I will still investigate what it wants. Okay. Oh, the fossils. Yep, they're here. Only one? Oh my. Oh, that's the fossil center? Here it is, staff center. Rest, rest, rest. There we go. Okay, the dinosaur's coming. The dinosaur is coming. The dinosaur is coming. The dinosaur is coming. That's right. Okay, so you're missing a lot of trees. Huh. There we go. It's happy now. Oh, what's it doing? Oh, right, okay. Get all rested. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, let's get ready for this Tyrannosaurus Rex. I guess the Verminosaurus... No, it is not. Why is it not ready? Maybe it's someone on the first level? Nope. 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 And nope. I guess we'll have to unlock here. Have 150 operational in your facility. I don't get it. What? Hmm. Don't know how that's supposed to work, but okay. Like, can this work or something? Does this help? Seriously? Hmm. Oh, so I just add more stuff down, okay. Okay, that seems easy enough. Hmm. And just place one of the viewing platforms right there. There we go. More stuff is added. 120. Okay, we're still going with the expedition stuff. Oh, right, that's right, I was getting a T-Rex. Okay, I guess... So I guess I'll just add another of these. And... create path. No power. How about now? Okay, how much more stuff should I add? Oh, hurry! Okay, getting myself a T-Rex. Okay, okay, that doesn't make any difference. Maybe a number of these could help. Hey, one of these medical centers for dinosaurs, that kind of thing. Is it gonna help out? Does this have to affect anything? Oh, there's some dinosaurs out of view. And one of these. What in the world's on low health? Why are you on low health?
That useless sack of Yankee danky doodle.
My god. You could just get your vehicle to go over the fence. Oh, I see. Come on.
Hungry dinosaurs make me nervous. Well, they should do the same to you.
Actually,
Food
no,
is a
these are
powerful
stupid
motivator,
dinosaurs.
especially if there's a lack of it. You should get on top of this.
It's a stupid dinosaur. That's what's going on with it. I'm not the terrible person, that dino is. Okay. Got that. Where is it? Here it is. That's Tyrannosaurus Rex. Here. Oh, here it is. Here we go. Bye bye. See you soon. And that's how much there is. Okay, soon enough we're gonna have a T-Rex. Yeah! What in... Are you kidding? Are you kidding? What? Why are you on low health? What is wrong with that dinosaur? I mean, a Palosaurus. Plus, what do Palosaurs feed on again? That's right, I can't tell because that is very annoying. What? How are you? How in the world are you starving? How? Got tall leaves. Do I need to add some more? Oh, here's some tall leaves. If it doesn't need that, then there's something obviously wrong with this dinosaur. And yet it's walking away from it. Just how stupid are these dinosaurs? Okay. Okay, it's looking for food, but I'll just do that for the moment. And get these all built. There we go. On about the T-Rex in this game, apparently it likes sand. And if anybody gonna say anything like that's what the Earth would have been like back a million years ago. Okay, first up, raptors for some reason don't have desert areas. For some reason. And another weird thing is well, okay, first, oh wait, okay, that the dinosaur is no longer sick. But these guys will need refilling. Okay. I don't care about them. Okay, the Tyrannosaurus Rex in that area is all done. Wait, I just realized, like, this is 100. Could I change pattern or something? Yes, I can. But at the moment, I'm not going to. Ooh! T-Rex 2022. You know what? I'm gonna go for it. I'm making myself a T-Rex. I don't care that somebody's being attacked. Now to add the sand. And plus, this is Dino Land or something. It gotta need a T-Rex. It's the law, man. It's the law. Wait, Omni or Tanner discouraged. I don't know what that means. What? Anyways. Okay, T-Rex is on its way. These people don't know how to drive a car. This is how you drive a car. Right in the wall. Wait, that person... Oh my god, that person just witnessed that. Wait, is this car, like, unusually bigger than that person? Okay, it is. But when you look at it from here, it looks like she's tiny and this is this camera angle, I think. Oh wait, that's where the head's supposed to be. Yeah, well. How am I supposed to get this for the Amber Mine? Unless there's a Pharomosaurus fossil finding somewhere. Which for some reason I highly doubt it, because, well... Wait... Looks like there's something there to research. Okay, 127. Okay. And I guess I'll put a gate. Here you go. Now I'm gonna wait for the T-Rex. Okay, 3 minutes left. Then I'll be able to put a T-Rex in there. It's a fast car. Well, don't know what to do. Wait for the T-Rex to be created or something? Okily dokily. This is gonna take a while. Just sleeps by a dead goat. What kind of monster does that? Sleeps by a dead carcass. Who does that? What does that? Oh, dinosaur's been successfully been born. That was kind of a weak roar. Okay, apparently you do like sand, but not much. Oh, it fell over. Wait. Where did Joel go? Oh my god. Don't look at this. Or anybody, don't look at it. Okay, so facility numbers have increased by a lot. Oh. It went down. I guess I could make a Velociraptors? Okay, Velociraptors. Where are the very known Velociraptors? Oh, here's one. There we go. Bye-bye, see you soon. Okay, I think when the T-Rex is put in place, we're gonna... my numbers are gonna go up higher. Get the T-Rex in here. That is a cool design. I mean, actually, I just wondered, like, how exactly did they get those scratches if it was, like, born? Like, just born already. Like, I don't understand that. It makes no sense! And it's missing water in its territory. Oh, really? Oh, really? Okay, so... hang on a minute. Hey, I can start it now! Hooray! Oh, great. Got one of those. Okay. Research is in progress. Hooray! Okay, we're getting somewhere for once. Wait, what? What? Why are these guys sleeping? Why did you put them down? I mean, put them down to sleep. Okay, that was a little funny how it just got up. Meow. Wait, does it still go when... no, that's not. Wait, what's this? Ah, it's a Velociraptor. Eh, the Velociraptors, yeah, I forgot. Ba, 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 da, 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 da. Okay, now to be able to research some more Ceratosaurus DNA castle. Here it is. What was this? Oh, Sinoceratops. And another genome of Tyrannosaurus Rex, okay. So I should let my staff members rest. Sleep, go to bed. Get out of here. Okay. I don't care if the vehicle gets under attack. Okay, science is resting and the Ferrosaurus genome is coming. Well, let's see what skins I can use for them. Okay, boring. None of them is there! No! Let's just fly around in a helicopter for a bit. Oh, the scientists are up and ready. Wait, could I just land the helicopter? No, I cannot. Plus, this place seems a bit smaller than the film. Very smaller. Very small. Oh no. Their food is disease. Let's get that cleared out. And these fossils are ready. And I want the one with the massive bird. Meow. What exactly is hookworms? I love crashing and stuff. Okay, wait, speed things up. Hooray! Okay. Okay, it's almost ready. Almost ready. I feel like I've been yawning a lot this video. Anyways. Yeah. There's something about this game that makes it boring. No, I destroyed the mountain. No! Wait. No, it's not ready. It's almost ready. Okay. Okay, gotta go for some extra long minutes. For me, it's speed up, so ha! Hooray, finally! Okay. You, and you. Okay. Rest and rest. Oh, it's coming to life. Here we go, here we go. Stop reminding me of these dinosaur attacks, I don't care. Alright, I'm getting rid of that helicopter. Unassigned. It's just dinosaurs being dinosaurs. You gotta do that, man. You gotta know it. Okay. Boring. Let's see how good of a pilot I am. Right, this is how I can get. How disappointing. And if this is as far as I can go, how come this is out of bounds? The rest of it's not. That's just annoying. Like me like me against this Stegosaurus. Indeed. Yep. See? I annoyed it. Anyway. That dinosaur's taking it's taking its time. Should I just wait here? Oh, it's getting closer. Wait. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hooray! Dinosaur's ready. That's a big dinosaur. You're already losing comfort? What is wrong with you? This isn't even your home yet. Come on. Sleep. Where did I put it? There it is. Yep, that's it. Okay, now to move on to the Giganosaurus. Giga. I have the amount of scientists I need, hooray! And seeing that I feel like the video's gone on quite some time. So if you enjoyed the video, if you could, like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell. And also remember, you can't type comments because they're turned off. Ha!